How to contact seller on Craigslist. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can contact seller on Craigslist, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to contact the sellers on Craigslist, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then basically open your browser, go to craigslist.org and then go to the product page that you might maybe want to view. Once you go ahead and then view that product page over here, maybe you want to contact the seller but you don't see this comment option or anything. The only way you can contact the seller depends upon what contact methods that the seller has actually put in. So if you look at the very top of every product, you'll find the reply button, as you can see at the very top. You just have to tap on reply. If the seller has revealed their phone number, you'll be able to find their phone number, but if the seller has only allowed their email, you'll only be able to find the email option over here, and you can simply contact them via this email over here, which is the webmail links and so on. So you can either just copy their email like this, and then you can just go to your own email and then send them, or you can just go ahead and select Gmail right from here. Select any way that you want to contact them and you should be able to contact them in that way. This way you can contact seller on Craigslist. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.